Okay, just for the heck of it, I'm going to make a drill bit. It's going to be crude, but I'm going to do it anyway. Just going to take a piece of flat metal, take a piece of old rod, whatever this stuff was, cement steel. I already twisted a piece of this. Just use a couple vices, clamped it to this thing, and twisted it like that. Hard part's keeping it straight, but anyway, I probably have to hammer on it. And so, okay, there we are. I'll go back and see what I can do about attaching this to here, or something like it. And yeah, we'll keep moving. Okay, here it is post-welding. It's still too hot to handle. I have to cut it off the extra section, but I'm going to cut it off somewhere back in here and sharpen a point on it and maybe try to heat harden it. But that's about it. Okay, next step. This is the point I put on here. Nothing fancy, just did it all by eye. Just cut these angles and then undercut here a little bit to give it a sort of a knife edge. Not sure if you can see that, but did it on both sides, and that's it. Okay, let's go see if it'll work. First test on this. Yes, I made the screw backwards, but we'll see what happens. And it looks like it's drilling a hole. It's drilling a hole, clearly. This is unheat treated. This is just a raw piece of metal, and it's all been done by eye. Let's see if we can make it all the way through here. Not from a drill will make it. Yep, she's almost through. Gotta take it off the side so I don't damage my drill bit by drilling into steel. I thought it was almost through. So there you have it, homemade drill bit, and not heat hardened yet or anything, or all been done by eye, so it can be done. Hope you enjoyed it.